Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Gyaan Valuable. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Innova Think Labs Limited. So this is one of the company which is looking attractive for me, and let's begin the analysis. So here we go. So coming to, they have major investments in gaming companies, and also they has fitness infrastructures like real estates and gym franchisee. So these are the multiple diversified businesses which the company has invested in. So it looks attractive from here, this point of view. So this is what the management's now. This is what driven by low fixed overheads and high margin digital products. So all these mobile apps, astrology services. So the key customers here is primarily B2C global end users, some B2B resellers. So software services which the company is majorly into, and astrology, fitness, geographies. Euro exports are basically to Europe and US. So that's the thing here. And key products includes Microsoft Mac utilities, ad blockers, disk cleanup pro, Mac Space Reviver, PDF editor. So all these basic softwares which the company is providing, and the major fitness gyms, astrology apps, and casual games. So these are all the segments which the company operates into. And major attraction was here the investments of the company in AdCounty Media, Freshquotes, and VVoice. So this AdCounty Media is something which is a digital platform where a digital marketing it's been done by this company, and it's listed in the bourses, that is SME segment. And this is also something interesting where the company Innova has been a major investor here, which is holding 17.79% share. So this also has a basic a good that is stake in the company which is listed. So it has a direct connection with that. The IPO was launched on July 2025 for at county. Fresho cards. This is something which is the IPO will be expected next year, and this is a waste management company which is also a strong growth expected from this also. So these three are the major investments that the company has done, and you can see how the valuations look like. The company is expected to earn a good returns if these companies perform in a good manner. So that's what the thing which made me to dig in deeper the investments. So the investments looking in attractive here. Coming to the valuation of the company, the valuation is stable. There were no major assumptions, that is major predictions which the AI was able to do. It's only a basic at par. The company is valued at 313. That is based on the beer segment. If it takes a base that is of 35%, which it expects from the company to grow, that is 535 is the expected target price with the actual performance the company which it is doing today. So based on that growth factor, it is considering 7535. But in a bull case, that is if the company expects some extra return from the investments or from the business, then it is another case 821. So this is all the company valuation and the price expectation over the years. So it's not looking very much attractive, but yeah, you can expect 30 to 35%. It's something which is a very good return for the next 1 year. So but I don't think that this company is for a short term period. It has some good investments and it is still growing. So I hope that it should be good for the next 2 3 years to be hold as an investment, and it can give good strong results. So that was my opinion. And so one of the thing which we were about to discuss is the debt component here. So the debt was majorly fulfilled, that is comprised of lease liabilities. So lease liabilities, the company has took leases for the gym which they have one of the subsidiary. So the gym have been taken on lease, and the gym equipments are also took on lease. So those are the ones which the company is paying the lease liabilities every month. So the current every month, every year they are paying 24 lakh. So that's the outflow which the company is having. Then there is a sharp rise. So majorly the gym leases in Innovana Fitness Labs. So that's the long-term lease for the land, building, and equipments. So you can see here the details. Coming to the breakup of the investments which the company is held, it's the quoted equities which is invested at 6 crores, unquoted associates which we have already learned about at county, fresh quotes. So all this combined 15 crores of investments in all these companies, so which is a very good thing. Unquoted CCPS preference shares, it's 50 crores. Capital preserve buildcon 3 crores. And debt oriented mutual funds. So this is also something, a major crunch goes into mutual funds, 34 crores. And one of the major thing which we need to consider here is these investments are booked at cost. So you won't be seeing any appreciation being booked in these companies. So for an example, let's say at County, the company has invested 4 crores, and today the company at County, it is valued at 325 crores. If you do a basic calculation here, let's say so 325 crores of Ed County, in which our Innovena has held 17.7%. So that gives to 57 crores of valuation for this company, which the Innovena is holding. So this will come up in the balance sheet, and the balance sheet will get stronger. So that is how the market, the investments should be analyzed. So you need not only count the cost of investment, you need to also evaluate the current present value of the invested assets. So these are all looking in good. And likewise, the fresho cards, you can see it's also invested at cost. So this, when the IPO comes, there will be a good valuation getting created for this company's investments, that is Innovena's Think Labs. So you can see the company's focused on diversifying its business from the core which it was doing. It was a software company actually, but now it has diversified its companies, its investments into various different segments. So you can tell it's not only a software company, it's like a investment company. So the upcoming years are going to be very much attractive for the company, and that's what I have seen here. So the company's management are also telling that our best years are still ahead, and we will be prepared for the next decade. So well prepared for the next decade. So this is what the update from the management chairman, who has told they have a strong confidence that they will be having a good decade ahead. So you can think of next 5 to 7 years, at least 5 to 7 years at least in this company. So it might become a good company, and it might give a good returns in future. And coming down, one thing which surprised me a lot is that the companies had some case filed by CBI against it. So this was most shocking thing. Till now, we had a good company analysis. That is, we had a good report from the analysis which was done till now. But now, what happened when I got this news from the analyzing the management? So management, who here it is, it's Chandan Garg. And when I was looking into his profile, I came across some CBI case being filed against him. That is against the company. So company, what they have done, they have allegedly they have been frauded the customers by giving some inbuilt pop-up malwares coming up in that, which in turn led the customers to call back to the company, the support team of the company, and this led to pay them extra money from the victims. So by this was something which was extorting. It's like a case of extortion of money from the customers in the face of popping up all these malwares by themselves in their software. So this was something, a different malpractices performed by the management. So I tried to find out whether there is a current status of this case going on, what is the status, but I could not find. So it was filed by Microsoft. So that is what. So they provide Microsoft services, malware facilities to the customers, but they have that is spoiled the name of Microsoft here. So FIS has been filed in 2020, and after that raids were conducted. So no update has been till now given on this. So there is no source available, no update available on this. So that is what, this is something, a big red flag on this. So we'll just check whether on what happened to the price when the raids were conducted in 2020. So you can see back in 2020, so there was no major pull down here. You can see it was from 60, it came down to 40. So there was no major impact on the company's business. So till now it has performed good, and hopefully it will do good. So this is what the video comes to an end here, and I hope you liked the video, and please comment in the comment section below if you liked it, and also please share among your friends, and also please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon so that you are aware of these companies and how to analyze a company step by step. So I'll be bringing up multiple companies every day. I will try to bring multiple companies analysis. So thank you for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye. Happy investing.